As December is fast approaching, the current governor of Anambra State, in the name of Governor Soludo, is trying his best to make sure that everywhere is looking clean for people that will be returning back home. So today we're gonna be diving into the Anambra International Airport Road to go and see what is currently happening there. So in one of my last video that I make about the Onitsha Oka Expressway, I told you guys that I'll be bringing you updates concerning this particular ongoing massive maintenance along this road. So on Saturday, I paid a visit to this particular location to go and see everything for myself. So currently, they are trying to grade the Onitsha Oka Express Road to make the road very smooth for the people that will be returning for the Xmas, and they're also doing some other work. So today, let's give a tour to this particular Anambra International Airport Road to go and see what is actually going on there. So on the day I visited, I noticed that there is a massive maintenance that is currently going on here. If you watch closely, at the middle of this road where the street light is located, you can notice that the place was not, well kept or maybe well built. So, the current governor, I think, you can see what he's doing. He's now placing a kind of marbles at the middle of the road, and also making a provisions for where a kind of trees will be put in place. And by the edges of the road, you can see that he's putting other beautification kind of other things there. And by the walkways, he's also putting the same beautification by the walkways, which you will be seeing everything on this my video. So this thing extends down to the front gate of the airport, but everywhere has not currently received this beautification. The workers, I think the workers a kind of they shared themselves, or maybe different people are working different sections. So from here down to somewhere, it stops, and then from somewhere again it started again, and then heading down. So getting closer to the airport, you will notice that some of the like from the bridge head before the airport has been repented, and a kind of finally maintained down to the airport gate. So, but from this side down to somewhere, it stops and start again, stops and start again, and not just putting marbles at the middle of the road, at the center of this road. Is also making sure that all the signs around this road are being removed also, to make sure that everywhere is looking so clean and well kept. So on the process of giving a tour, I also noticed something. Um, from the video I watched on, Blessing Godwin channel, I noticed that 2 or a month plus ago, when he visited this particular airport, there we have bushes around all these places. But today, if you visit there again, the bushes has been cleared, and everywhere is looking so okay and well kept. So a lot of work will be done on this road to make the Christmas commerce to enjoy the whole thing, and not having any trouble driving through the road. So a lot of construction is currently being done along this road. So I will leave you guys to feed your eyes with so many things along the road. So when it's time for me to also update you about whatever that is going on, I will come back. So continue watching the video. Another thing I noticed while touring this Anambra Airport Road is that the drainage system were neatly built, and it is very clean, even though I don't think anybody is cleaning it. Maybe it's being cleaned by the floor that is flowing inside the gutter. So it was neatly built, and this is very clean. So, and another thing I noticed is that all the roads are not of the same quality. Like all the tide road, they are not of the same quality. Immediately you get to the, to that integer junction, the road that links to integer, and the one that links to the temple junction. Immediately you pass through them a little bit, we start noticing a different in quality. You understand? So from there heading down to the express is of different quality, while from there heading to the airport gate is of different quality. So, and I suspect that the one heading towards the express is more durable than the one heading towards the airport. You understand? So like you can see in the video, some sections have not been touched, even though a lot of work has been done there, like clearing of the sand and the clearing of the bushes, and then from another section the work resumed again. So they are doing it bit by bit, maybe being handled by different sections. You understand? So all I know is that work is currently going on here. A very massive maintenance is currently going on here, and I believe by the time all these things are done, here will be looking so yummy yummy, and looking so brighter again. And another thing I noticed that the street lights, a lot of them needs to be touched, because some has been damaged, while some has been pulled out entirely, while some are still standing. So a lot of them needs to also be maintained, and I believe they also saw it, so they're gonna be touching those ones too. So once you get to that before the airport gate, we notice that that side is a kind of partially completed to the airport gate side, while from there, after the bridge down to the express are yet to be completed, but they are currently working on it. So guys, I will also be bringing you more update as we keep on pushing on this video. So continue watching while we keep on bringing you more update. Hi, finally guys, after 3 hours waka waka, I finally arrived at Anambra International Airport. So this is the road that leads to the airport, and behind the camera is the airport. So I'm still approaching very closer to it. Let me flip my camera now. So guys, I even wanted to forget about the stress I passed through making this video. Guys, could you believe that I trekked from the express down to the airport gate? Man, if you have been to this Anambra airport before, you will know how far this thing is from the express to the airport gate. But I trekked from the airport gate down to the from the express down to the airport gate. Guys, I was very very tired on this day, guys. Like my legs were paining me. So let's continue doing what we are doing. So you can see the stress we are passing through to film all these videos for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the like button, and don't forget to comment. Also share so it will get to wider audience. Thank you. Let's continue. So from that bridge that we just passed, you will notice that the other side of the road, like all the beautification by the other side of the road, and this side, both left and right, are currently being repainted, while the middle has not been touched. So if you move down a little bit, you will notice that the middle is being touched before the gate, and the both sides of the road, like the left and right, are also being repainted. So I do not get much closer to the gate because of their rules. So I don't want to end up being asked by somebody to delete all the video I've suffered to make, for complete 2 hours or so with the stress that is there. So that is the airport gate, and as you can see on my video that from here it's now has received all the whole interlock down to the gate and also repenting. So you can see that, you can see it. So all these places has received the repenting and everything is done and dusted here. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Kindly click on the like button. To meet again, guys, and tell us what you feel about this ongoing maintenance. Bye and have a wonderful day.